Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Shoshone, local and long-distance movers near me. We offer a number of moving services. These include the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Our long-distance services are smooth and stress-free. We understand how hard it is to relocate to a new city or town. When you're going a few states over or across the country, we can help. With our help, you don't have to worry nearly as much. We take the heavy lifting off your shoulders. You might need an Idaho moving company to help you with your local move. If this is the case, you want to choose the right moving team. With a good team helping you, any type of move becomes so much easier. 3 Movers takes the hard work out of your move. We make it so much easier and faster to move locally. When you need to move your home or business, we can make it happen fast. A move that would take you all weekend, we can do in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Shoshone moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.